Hi everyone. Everyone is talking about Claude and Claude CoWork. हम कैसे आप ये दोनों tools use करके अपनी productivity बढ़ा सकते हो? But a lot of you don't know how to even use them, right? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save 2-3 hours every day if you start using Claude and Claude CoWork. So let's get started. I'm going to cover 5 use cases today and I'll start with the file management. For every working professional, I think you would be able to relate to that pain कि कैसे हमारा downloads folder इतना unorganized हो जाता है और and desktop तो पूछो ही मत, इतना cluttered and हमारे पास time नहीं होता इसको organize करने का. When I was working, my manager used to give me like a proper task that Nandini, you have to organize this folder properly, and I used to schedule like 30 minutes, 1 hour on my calendar to organize folders. And इतना एडमिन काम लगता था ना वो कि इसमें टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ रहा है एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ व्हाई एम आई इवन डूइंग दिस. So there's a good news for you. You don't need to do this anymore with Claude CoWork. So this is Claude, okay? This is Claude desktop app. Few things you need to know while using Claude CoWork is, एक तो ये ब्राउज़र पे नहीं चलता है. So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको Google Chrome पे जाके Claude CoWork टाइप करना पड़ेगा एंड आपको ये डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. इधर आप जाएंगे इंट्रोड्यूसिंग Claude CoWork पे एंड यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस ट्राई CoWork ऑन डेस्कटॉप. ये डाउनलोड हो जाएगा. जैसे ही ये डाउनलोड होगा एक ऐसा ऐप आ जाएगा. इस ऐप में आप जाएंगे, 3 ऑप्शंस होंगे, चैट, कोवर्क एंड कोड. कोड हम इस वीडियो में कवर नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज मोर सुटेबल फॉर पीपल हु आर बिल्डिंग एप्स, हु आर बिल्डिंग वेबसाइट्स फॉर देम. वी विल फोकस ऑन चैट एंड कोवर्क फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. सो मैंने आपको बोला कि फर्स्टली आई विल टेल यू फाइल मैनेजमेंट. So let me show you one task which I did on file management. So this is my chat, organize downloads folder with date prefixes. So this is the prompt I gave. Organize all the files in downloads folder into logical categories based on their contents, not just file names. Rename with date as a prefix and so on. इसमें it started working, it worked and then ये सारा इसने फोल्डर बना दिया कि सीए एग्जाम के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स एक फोल्डर में, फाइनेंशियल मॉडल एक फोल्डर में, रजिस्ट्रेशन, इनवॉइसेस, ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड आई आस्क्ड हाउ मच टाइम डिड यू टेक टू डू दिस. सो इट सेज 2 minutes while exploring, 2 minutes for script run, etc. सो 7-8 मिनट में आपका फोल्डर पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज हो गया. लेट मी शो यू हाउ द फोल्डर लुक्स लाइक नाउ. सो अभी बस ये ऊपर तक स्क्रॉल करने में पूरा डाउनलोड फोल्डर खत्म हो गया. पहले आप स्क्रॉल करते जाओगे, खत्म नहीं हो रहा था. एंड यू कैन सी देयर आर सेपरेट फोल्डर्स, AI at work, AI to save work, design assets, sales and data and so on. Everything is there in proper folder. अभी आपको ये और cluttered लग रहा होगा, राइट? क्योंकि ये जो चीज़ की थी मैंने, that was done. I'm not sure इसमें if I can see the date here, but I did it like a week back. So let's organize it again. Organize my downloads folder again and I'll press enter. It is starting up. तो ये भी बोल रहा है it was just fully organized. Let me check if new files have arrived. So it is saying that all this is done. Now let's go back and see my download folder looks like. Now if you have preference that all the invoices should be separate folder, contracts should be separate folder, so you can further define it. But I am happy with the organization, but I am happy with the way it is organized my downloads folder. So that was about file management, in which we organized files in folder and renamed them. Now secondly, I'm going to show you how you can make your own workflows and how you can schedule tasks. So let me show you what I have already scheduled. So if I go to my schedule, so इधर एक आ जाता है schedule वाला. अभी आपके में नहीं आ रहा होगा because आपने कोई schedule नहीं किया है. But कैसे होता है कोवर्क में जाके नया टास्क क्रिएट करके. सो दैट आई विल शो यू, बट लेट मी शो यू व्हाट ऑल आई हैव. सो ये सब मैंने शेड्यूल कर रखा है कि मुझे डेली अपना पोर्टफोलियो अपडेट चाहिए, डेली क्लोजिंग अपडेट चाहिए, डेली मुझे FII रिपोर्ट चाहिए एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. इफ़ आई क्लिक ऑन पोर्टफोलियो मॉर्निंग अपडेट, सो ये डेली मुझे अपडेट देता है टुडे एट 9:18 एवरी. सो द सेटिंग इज़ कि एवरी डे एट 9:80 AM इट हैज़ टू गिव मी एन अपडेट. So today it was done at 12:36. We'll see why it changed, but it gives me an update like this कि गोल्ड आपका 1.2% का मूवमेंट हुआ, ये सब शेयर प्राइस में इतना मूवमेंट हुआ, एक्सेट्रा. एंड अगर आपको लगता है कि ये शेड्यूलिंग में कोई डेटा सही नहीं आ रहा है, so you should ask questions and you can give the specific source from which it needs to pick data. So let's set up a new task. I will say I want to schedule a task such that you send me an email every day for any new news or trends you get on AI. It can be on Twitter, Instagram, Google, or any other platform you can think of. And I want this email to be delivered in my inbox at 7 p.m. every day. It is typed and I'll press let's go. Just to remind you again, this is all happening in CoWork. We are not in chat. Now it is asking me, you want schedule? I would say yes, I want to schedule. So it is saying, okay, I will do that for you and I'll send you at this email ID. Now since we are talking about workflow and schedule, I need to tell you one more thing here. When you do this, it might say that I will not be able to send you an email because the email is not connected. So what you need to do is, you go to settings, then go to connectors, then go to Gmail. If you can't find this here, you can just click on add custom connector or you can just browse connectors and type Gmail. मेरे में टिक आ रहा है because I have already connected. आपके में एक प्लस का ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा जैसे ये आ रहा है, तो you need to connect it, and once you do that, your Gmail would be connected to your Claude account, and then you can work on a Gmail while chatting with Claude. You can even say, hey, can you please pull this email from so and so person, can you do this email, and we'll talk about that. So this is done. Email sections to be covered, research and breakthrough, industry and business, etc. First one would be tonight at 7 p.m. So I'll get this email. Now you want to say कि नंदनी पता नहीं 7 बजे क्या आएगा, so let's just run it right now. I will say let's do a sample run now. For those who are wondering how I am speaking and typing, there is this tool called Whisper Flow. So you can just download and enable it in your desktop. There is a video on this tool. You can check out this video on how to get this tool in your laptop and how to use it. This is very good. I'm saving maybe like 2-3 hours every day, which I used to spend on typing. It is asking for my permission. I'm gonna say allow once because I don't want to give complete control to Claude CoWork for security reasons. Okay, so it is saying that the draft is ready. Do you want me to send it automatically? I'll say, please send the email automatically. I don't want to go into my drafts. Okay, it is opening Gmail in my browser and sending it. Okay guys, I think you can see my screen and we can see this email Daily AI Digest, March 10, 2026 when I'm recording this video. 0 minutes ago, 12:56, and this is the email. OpenAI unveils GPT 5.4, AI bridges sensory perception, NASA's perseverance, and a lot more other articles. OpenAI hits $25 billion, ICE IPO, and I can click on these links in all of these articles, and with the clickable links which I can click and go to the source. So this is amazing. Now let's see what Claude is saying. Claude is saying that Daily AI Digest has been successfully sent to this email. You can see the draft count drop from 5 to 4. And it says, from tomorrow onwards, this will happen automatically every day at 7 p.m. Delivered straight to your inbox, no action needed. So this is done. And if I go to sidebar and if I talk about the schedule task. So if I go to schedule task, we can see a new schedule task, which is Daily AI News email. So that was the second part, talking about how to schedule new workflows. And then the third one is analysis of local files. So let's say you have some files stored in your desktop and you want to analyze them without opening them one by one. So let me quickly show you what I did, and it was very interesting. Okay, so I had 4 reports of 4 banks, HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, and the Kotak Bank, and let me show you how it looked like. If I search HDFC report, so if I go at AI at work and there is this HDFC reports, so there was this HDFC reports folder in which I had reports of all 4 banks. So now the prompt I used was this: read all 4 annual reports, each is from different private sector bank, create a file, comparison table, GNP, and show all of these metrics. And also tell me the key strategic priorities, 1 risk each bank flagged, and your overall assessment of which bank appears best positioned. So I typed this prompt and it started working on it, and let me show you the output. Okay, so this is annual report synthesis. 1 was key financial metrics. Now look at this table. This table is really good. Like, this is the kind of benchmarking sheet which bankers and financial analysts create. And since it is coming directly from annual reports, it is reliable. There are proper notes on NI figure, it reports in INR billions, so the conversion has been done, so on, so on and so on. The second part, if you remember, we asked key strategic priorities. So the second part is FY26 strategic priorities. So it follows the prompt you give. It has given commentary about each of them. And then third was one risk each bank flagged. So the third part is one risk, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, Kotak. And then I asked overall assessment of which bank appears best. So this is the overall assessment, and the ICICI is best position for FY26. So first is ICICI, then it's Kotak, Axis and HDFC. And then there is a proper explanation why ICICI is best, why Kotak Mahindra is second. So अगर आप किसी भी लोकल फाइल पे काम करते हैं, सो अगर आप HR हैं, आपके पास कैंडिडेट्स के CV होंगे, तो आप CVs पे पूछ सकते हैं कि मुझे सारे CVs का कंपैरिजन करके दो अक्रॉस दिस 5 पैरामीटर्स. इफ़ यू आर इनटू मार्केटिंग and you have some campaign ideas or brand briefs saved in your documents folder, you can ask Claude that analyze these campaign briefs and make a campaign plan for me. So whatever you have in local files, you can do that. Another thing that you can do under this use case is you can ask it to analyze your invoices. So let's say you are a businessman, or let's say you are a company. You would have invoices which are either issued to you or issued by you. So what I did was, I asked it, can you scan downloads folder and find the invoices, plot invoice date, amount in an Excel sheet. It worked throughout, and let me show you the input it created. And let me show you the output. So let's see what is being generated by Claude. So this is the entire list of invoices in Excel with the buyer, invoice date, total, date wise summary bhi hai hamare paas, then the entire brand deal summary, and then further summary of invoices more than 1 lakh and so on. So you can see how with just one prompt we can ask it to analyze and summarize data which is stored in our desktop. The next thing I'm going to teach you is how to use Claude as an agent or as your employee. So I'm gonna open Google Chrome and let me just open my LinkedIn. And let's say I want to say reply to comments on my last 10 posts. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, this is Claude in Chrome. So एक extension होता है, आप Google Chrome पे simply type करेंगे Claude in Chrome. You will see that extension, download that extension, and you should start using it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, this is my Google Chrome, this is my LinkedIn, and I'm gonna use Claude as an assistant to reply to comments on my last 10 posts. This is Claude in Chrome. Just go to Google Chrome, type Claude in Chrome, download the extension, enable it, and you will see the same window. So let's just start doing it. Okay, I approve the plan. Now it is asking me what should be a tone, style, etc. So I will say the tone should be professional and warm. I want to reply to all the comments which are professional. No reply to vague or bad comments. And fourth is, you want to review. No, I don't want to review each reply before it's posted. You can do it on your own. I'll approve the plan. I'm not doing anything. Claude is doing it, taking the screenshot of every post and the comment, and then it would start replying on it. And while this is being done, I'll show you how you can use Claude CoWork as an agent. I'll say send an invite to Sachin for 5 p.m. meeting tomorrow. So basically I want to send an invite to someone. I don't need to open my Gmail, click on create an invite. I can just do it by telling CoWork. Last one I want to show you is connector and the plugins. So how it works is, just go to settings, then you go to connectors, and you can see there are multiple connectors here. I have connected Gamma, Gmail, Calendar because I need to work inside these apps, but there are multiple other connectors. So for example, you are someone who works in Notion a lot, you can connect Notion. So how it works is, you don't need to go to Notion for doing anything. You can ask Claude that create this document in Notion, or you can say pull these notes from Notion and make a presentation on this. So basically you don't need separate Notion. You can ask Claude to access your Notion and do everything just here. Similarly, if you use Slack, you can connect Slack to Claude, and like I said, send an invite to Sachin. You can similarly say send a message to a friend in Slack. So you don't need to open Slack. Claude will do that for you. Then there are some other connectors, HubSpot, Figma. So if you think that you are working in any of these apps on a regular basis, it might be very helpful for you. There is a connector for S&P Global. So if you are someone from finance, this might be very helpful for you. Then let's say you are someone working with private companies or in a VC, then PitchBook Premium connector would be very helpful, as you can just ask Claude to find data about certain company from PitchBook Premium without actually opening PitchBook Premium. So that's about connectors. The other thing that I want to show you is the connector. So basically you go to customize, click on plugins, browse plugins, and you will see there is a connector for every role: productivity, customer support, engineering, design, finance, HR. And you can think that if you are in marketing, the responses would be very much in line with how things work in marketing, and similarly for HR and finance, like the accounting entries, reconciliation, everything would be customized, and you will feel like this is a Claude for finance, this is a Claude for marketing, and so on. If you really like this video, let me know in the comments, and if you have gotten any value from my videos so far, I would be grateful if you can subscribe, because that keeps me motivated to make more every day. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.